The choice is yours. The growth of your horizons depends on you. How much effort are you willing to exert towards this goal? Knowing what it is that facilitates growth is important in making your choices. The outcome is stepping away from stagnancy and into growth. The tree of growth. Try drawing of a visual representation of a three-dimensional tree on a sheet of paper, with the prospect of embellishing the tree with new notes in the format of leaves and branches, or even fruits. Where do you stand? In the process of evaluating your opportunities, you need to realize what needs for improvement you have, what is standing in your way of progress, what you can do about it, and how much time it will take you to achieve the growth you want. What opportunities can you reach for? Look at your environment. What are opportunities for growth available for you? What opportunities are ahead of that you need to work for? Which of these are attainable and worthwhile? Keep a record of your effort. Whenever you have tried to reach for an opportunity, write it down. This will help you in observing the intensity, the frequency, and the results of your efforts. Later on, review your written efforts and reflect on what helped you achieve. Also, reflect on what stopped you from achieving your desired goal. Plan your rewards. Choose what you will reward yourself with after attaining each of the goals you have set. It might be something symbolic such as watching a favorite movie again, or it might be something you really have been wanting for a long time, such as planning a trip with people you love. Make the moment of celebration worthwhile. Reflection time. After some time, go over your notes and visual graphs. Reflection time means that you can go over everything again. Think about what caused you to think in specific ways, act in the way you have acted, say the things you said. What seems to be the driving force behind your decisions? Have you changed since then? Would you do something different? Keep your eyes open. Opportunities never stop existing, so make sure you're prepared for those you want to go after when they appear. When you are ready for an opportunity, the next step is to be aware of it. Find out ways to make opportunities known to you. It might mean joining a club, talking to people about your interests more often, or reading the newspaper.